Welcome to Compost, where we explore the amazing biological secrets hidden beneath your garden. Weeds are every gardener's nightmare, but chemical herbicides can cause serious damage to the environment. Let's discover the biology behind weeds and 5 natural solutions that can completely replace harmful chemicals. First is the principle of red light. Weed seeds buried deep in the soil remain in a dormant state. They patiently wait for a special signal from nature to begin the germination process. That signal is red light from the sun, which activates the biological mechanisms inside the seeds. When we till the soil too deeply, we accidentally bring those hidden weed seeds up to the surface. This action exposes the seeds to red light and instantly wakes them from dormancy. That's why the first solution is to avoid deep tilling, so weed seeds can remain asleep forever. If you absolutely must prepare the soil, try the incredibly smart and effective false seedbed method. The false seedbed technique begins by watering the soil regularly to trick weed seeds into sprouting first. Once the first wave of weeds appears, you only need to lightly disturb the surface to remove them. This gentle cultivation prevents deeper soil layers from being turned over, stopping new weeds from sprouting. Now your garden is ready for safely planting your actual crops. The third solution is creating a natural chemical barrier using companion planting. Marigolds not only bring vibrant beauty to the garden, but they also act as silent weed fighters. The roots of marigolds release unique natural chemical compounds into the soil. These compounds work like a powerful shield that suppresses nearby weed germination. Planting marigolds between crops helps protect your plants from intense competition for nutrients. The fourth method is simple, yet extremely important: organic mulching. You can use straw or sawdust to create a thick mulch layer about 3 inches deep. This thick layer acts like a strong barrier that completely blocks red light. Without red light reaching the soil, weed seeds underneath remain deeply dormant. In addition, the decomposition of sawdust slowly releases natural organic acids. These organic acids act as natural weed killers, destroying young weed sprouts effectively. The final solution, and perhaps the most powerful one, is natural biological fumigation. Biological fumigation relies on the hidden power of plants from the mustard family. You can plant mustard greens or radishes in the area you are preparing for cultivation. Once the plants grow vigorously, chop up all the stems and leaves into small pieces. The chopped plant material should then be quickly worked into moist soil. As soon as it comes into contact with soil moisture, a fascinating biochemical reaction begins. When the cells of mustard family plants break apart, they release a special gas called isothiocyanate. This gas spreads through the soil with strong natural toxicity against weeds. It directly attacks and completely destroys the structure of weed seeds. This is an incredibly effective way to eliminate weeds naturally without using harmful chemicals. At the same time, the decomposing plant material adds rich organic matter back into the soil. Using biological fumigation provides amazing double benefits for your entire garden. It removes weed seeds while also improving soil fertility and long-term soil health. So now we've explored 5 incredible biological solutions for safely controlling weeds, from understanding the role of red light to avoid awakening hidden weed seeds through deep tilling, to using the clever false seedbed technique that tricks weeds into sprouting early before eliminating them easily. Companion planting with marigolds also creates a natural chemical shield that protects your crops. Meanwhile, organic mulch made from straw not only blocks light, but also helps destroy young weeds. And finally, the unique biological fumigation technique harnesses the power of mustard family plants. All of these methods are based on a deep understanding of the laws of nature. By respecting nature, we can create a greener and far more sustainable garden. There's no need for toxic herbicides when the soil ecosystem can be protected naturally. The rich underground microbial ecosystem will continue to thrive and grow stronger. Hard-working earthworms will keep aerating the soil and bringing life-giving energy to plant roots. The precious groundwater beneath your garden will remain free from artificial chemical contamination. Your family's health is protected when enjoying fresh, homegrown vegetables from your own garden. Ecological farming is not just a passing trend, but the inevitable path toward the future. Every small action you take in your garden helps protect life on our green planet. Share this amazing biological knowledge with communities of people who love nature. Together, we can spread the message of safe, smart, and sustainable agriculture. Don't forget to try these natural solutions in your own beautiful backyard garden today. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and leave a comment sharing your experience. Subscribe to the channel so you won't miss future science-based gardening videos. Thank you so much for joining us on today's fascinating biological journey. Goodbye for now, and we'll see you again in the next videos from the Compost Science Channel.